cooking up career skills. This Battery Creek High School student is excited to be working his first job at Heirloom's Pizzeria. From starting in the kitchen washing dishes to now learning to make pizzas, the sophomore is building skills that will help him succeed in the future.
Learn how to be on time, learn how to work with others, communicate, cook.
The team at the restaurant is impressed with his work ethic and drive to learn.
First day, he came right in, went right to his station, got started, worked through that whole night, texted me immediately that night, asked me when he could come back, so it showed initiative. And I felt like at that point that he was going to be a good fit, and he's been a great fit. He started stretching dough on the third day that he was here, so again, that showed that he was willing to take on different tasks, and he's just been a great employee so far.
Battery Creek High offers a variety of career and technical education pathways for students to explore, and also partners with local businesses, giving students hands-on opportunities in the community while building skills that will last well beyond graduation.
If a business owner reaches out and says that they have available openings, I try to post them for our students so that they can then go in and apply for those jobs and be able to learn skills that they'll need for their future.
It's good that our school gives us the opportunity to apply for jobs and see what's available.
Heirloom's Pizzeria is a family-owned restaurant located in the Habersham Marketplace. For the Beaufort County School District, Ron Lopes.